Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 445 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm trying out the Laura Sanchez Moods eyeshadow that I got in my April Ipsy glam bag. So if you want to see my April Ipsy glam bag unbagging, I will link that video down below. But so I got this in the shade Alien Turquoise and I am so excited to try this because it is such a stunning color. But you can buy the full eyeshadow palette, the Moods palette by Laura Sanchez, for $35. And I actually was not familiar with Laura Sanchez, but I was doing some research and looked her up, and she has a very popular YouTube channel, Instagram following, so I am very intrigued by her. She posts videos in Spanish, which I'm actually bilingual with Spanish, and I haven't really been using my Spanish in a while, so I feel like it would be really good for me to watch her videos and just kind of freshen up my Spanish a little bit. But so anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and swatch this. Oh, this is amazing. Like, I cannot believe how beautiful this is and how bright and pigmented it is, and that metallic sheen. It's amazing. I feel like that is the most beautiful swatch. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply it to my eye. I did already prime my eyelid using the Urban Decay Primer Potion, which if you want to see my video on that, I will link that video down below. But so I want to start out by using a brush. I'm using the Luxie 243 Precision Blending Brush, which I also got in an Ipsy bag. And I'm going to start out by applying it with the brush, because sometimes when you apply it with a brush, it comes out less intense and almost a different color than when I apply it with my finger. Therefore, I'm going to try using the brush technique in the crease. Although this shadow might be so pigmented that even just going in lightly with the brush, it'll still show up really full pigment. But let's see if I can blend that out. I mean, this is applying so nicely and it's looking very even on the eye. I am able to blend it out and diffuse the color and kind of smoke out that shade. So it is really blendable. Wow, it's so beautiful. Okay, now I'm going to apply it with my finger to the entire eyelid. And the texture of this, it's just such a creamy, buttery powder. But yeah, this is definitely the type of formula that works really well when applied with my finger. And I can see a difference in the color and in the pigment from where I'm applying it with my finger versus where I applied it with the brush, which is what I wanted. I wanted to be able to see some intensity where I'm applying it with my finger and then have it blend out. And that's exactly what is happening. Oh, it's just so beautiful. It's like the most amazing shade of turquoise, and that metallic finish, oh, it looks so good on the eye. And it was so easy to apply as well. This really makes me want to get that full palette, because this is one of the best eyeshadow formulas I've tried, and to have a whole palette of this amazing formula and more vibrant, beautiful colors, there will be so many beautiful looks to be made from that. I just love the way it catches the light with that metallic sheen. It looks so good, just as good on the eye as I was hoping it would. So I really want to create some fun, colorful, like mermaid-like makeup looks, especially for this summer, that I could wear out to some fun parties where I can incorporate this shade. So let me know in the comments down below if you have any ideas of how to incorporate this beautiful teal shade into some other fun makeup looks. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.